In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a PNG in Photoshop. PNG is ideal when you need clean, lossless quality and the option for transparency, making it perfect for logos, graphics, and anything that needs to sit neatly on top of other backgrounds. Start by opening your project in Photoshop. Make sure the document you want to export is active on your screen and that your layers look the way you want in the final image. If you're planning to use transparency, glance at the Layers panel to confirm there isn't a solid background blocking areas you intend to be see-through. Next, head to the top menu and choose File, then Save As. Depending on your version of Photoshop, you might see Save a Copy for certain formats. The key is to use the option that allows you to pick PNG as the file type. In the Save dialog, choose the folder where you want the file to go so it's easy to find later. In the Format drop-down, select PNG. This tells Photoshop to create a lossless image that preserves sharp edges and text. PNG supports transparency and is widely compatible across design tools, web platforms, and presentation software, so it's a reliable choice for professional and personal projects alike. Give your file a clear, descriptive name so you can identify it at a glance. Consider including a version number or size, such as HV2 or H124px, to stay organized when working with multiple exports. Avoid special characters that some systems don't like, and choose a destination folder you use consistently for finished assets. Click Save. If a PNG options window appears, you can leave the default compression as is. It's lossless, so quality won't be degraded. Interlaced can remain off unless you specifically need progressive loading for web use. Confirm the options and proceed. If you want transparency in the final PNG, make sure the background layer is hidden before saving. In the Layers panel, turn off the visibility for any background or fill layer by clicking the eye icon. You'll know an area is transparent when you see the checkerboard pattern behind your artwork. Double check edges, drop shadows, and glows to ensure they fade naturally into transparency rather than into a solid color. When those layers are hidden and your art looks right against the checkerboard, save using the same steps, and the transparent areas will be preserved in the PNG. That's it, you've saved a crisp PNG from Photoshop, with or without transparency.